Hey guys, it is Random Crab Cal. We are back with another video, and today we are here with another cooking with Calvin video, and we are going to be making cake today. So let's go see our ingredients. So first we have our whole milk, our salt, our all-purpose flour, our 4 eggs, room temperature. We have our measuring cup. We have 2 things of icing. We have Oreos for special surprise. We have baking soda. We have sweet cream, butter, also unsalted, vanilla extract, and sugar. And we also have our aunt, my aunt. Okay guys, so first my aunt told me that we should mix the flour and the sugar, and she said 2 cups for each of them. So we're just gonna measure that out right now. And what I guess we're doing is putting all the dry ingredients with the dry ingredients, and then the wet ingredients with the wet ingredients, and then mixing them at the end. Okay, guys, so as you can see, that is nearly 1 cup right there. Oh gosh, right there. And we're gonna pour that in, and then we're gonna pour another cup. Ooh, that's all our sugar. Yeah, should be enough. So we're gonna pour that in, and now we have to pour in our 2 cups of flour, which might be a little bit more difficult because this is heavy as heck. I know you guys probably just heard that drop. Jesus. Everything that's done here will be cleaned up properly, just so you guys know. Okay, so that should be 1 cup. We're gonna pour that in, and then we're gonna do another cup. And now we're gonna pour that in, and we have our 2 cups of sugar and flour. Now what? 1.5 cup of milk. Okay. So 1.5 cup of milk coming right up. So guys, we have our first cup of milk right here going in. Oh my gosh, that is so satisfying. And now we have to get a half. Right there. Now what? Teaspoon of vanilla. So since this is half a teaspoon, we're gonna do 2 of these. 1, 2. A little spilled. And what would you say happens now? Teaspoon of salt. So we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna do. That's good. Okay. Tablespoon of vanilla.
No, you already did that.
Yeah, we already did that. What about the baking soda? Tablespoon. Okay, can you open up, please? Okay. We have a half a teaspoon of baking soda. Half a teaspoon. So that's okay. And now we are going to do what next?
Mix it.
Mix it?
Mm-hmm.
I need a big spoon. Okay, so now we're gonna mix all of this up. Ooh, Can't do that. But yeah, now we're gonna mix all of this up. Okay guys, so now we're gonna mix this up really good because this cake is gonna be the best ever. Oh geez, hold up, I might have a better idea for this. I'll see you guys in a minute. Just look at how satisfying that is. Okay guys, so it's now time to add the room temperature eggs. All of this is mixed up just right thanks to my aunt. Big shout out to her. And now we're gonna just crack the eggs in, right? That's one. No shells. That's two, no shells. The best part about this, what you have to remember is that these have to be room temperature. Ooh, one shell. It's a small piece. Got it. Smallest piece ever. And now, time to mix it. Let's go. Guys, we're back at the mixing station because now we have to mix the eggs in. And just look at that. Up with the eggs in it, and now it's time to melt some butter so we can put it in there. Sticks of butter and then melt them to mix them into it. So yeah, let's just karate chop. Time to put this in the oven and let's start it. A minute and 30 seconds, maybe 2 minutes if your butter is medium. So we have our melted butter. Time to bring it over to the mixer. Wait, so are we gonna put this in?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay guys, so my aunt said I can taste the unfinished product. Hasn't even been in the oven yet, so I'm gonna get something to taste it with. I'm gonna use this tablespoon. Just get a little bit out of there. And taste it. Oh my God. It's good.
Is it missing something?
You taste it. Tell me what you think. It's pretty good. Want to try? What you think it is? Because it's definitely something off.
It's too much vanilla.
Too much vanilla? So what could we do?
We need some flour.
More flour? How much more flour?
Like maybe a tablespoon.
After getting, after tasting it to make sure it's right, you want to mix the butter and this stuff. The butter and the main ingredients. So let's do it. more flour to make it a little thicker. And now we're just gonna mix it up, and then we're gonna be ready to put it in the oven. Let's go, guys. So right now we're just gonna cut off a little piece of the butter to grease the pan that we're gonna use. Is this big enough? Okay. And we're just gonna grease up the pan a little bit, and then we'll be ready to put it in. Guaranteed. Okay guys, so this is all buttered up pretty much, and what we're gonna do is we are going to overlay this because we just figured out that this big thing of all the ingredients isn't gonna be able to fit in this small container. So we're gonna make a 2-layer cake. Let's do it. So pour it in slow.
Make sure you get it even.
Oh, it fit. Yeah, it fits. Think it's good?
Maybe a little too wet.
A little too wet? A little even out. Okay guys, so now it's time to put the cake into the oven. It's preheated to 375. So we're just gonna leave that in there for a little bit. But time for that special surprise. Guys, the cake is done. And I think it came out pretty good. I'm not even gonna lie. I gave a lot of people the batter and they seem to really like it. So I think like this is gonna come out an amazing cake. Look at this. And now, me and my cousin Jordan, Natural 70, whatever, are gonna decorate this. Let's go. Okay guys, so we're getting ready to decorate the cake. I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse. I'll see you guys when we're done. Good try, sir. Okay guys, so we finished like the frosting layer. Looks kind of trashy because like all the little pieces at the top kept coming off, but other than that it looks good. And to make it look even better, we'll just look at that. You, sir. But yeah, to make it look even better, we have some golden Oreos. No sponsors. But yeah, time to lay them out. So the cake is done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. But first, let's get some reactions. Yeah, that's gonna be good.
We're starting.
Oh, is this a new one? I thought it was a rerun. Okay, here we go.
Of the cake, because she said I could finally get my mommy on recording. Mother, you said I can get your reaction, correct?
Yeah. That looks delicious.
Because she came up before the cake was like, when the cake was fresh out the oven.
Okay, I got a piece of cookie on mine. Too.
Yep, because you got a corner.
She's right. We'll celebrate San Francisco tonight at 7:30 on Fox 45.
Mmm.
Good?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Glad you like it.
I like how you add the cookie to it.
Yeah. Matches the whole theme.
It's good.
Good to hear it. Time to get some more people's reaction.
People, look at this wonderful looking cake. So soft, so moist, and so delicious.
Glad you like it.
I love it.
Well, guys, this is going to end off our video of vanilla cake. I hope you guys enjoyed this Cooking with Calvin episode. This has been Random Crap Cow. See you guys in the next video. Deuce.